And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a fresh product out today called AI Pet Portrait Studio, transforming pet pictures like the little yellow lab in the corner into portraits. And you can do all sorts of different ones. I think there's about 14 different outputs. So you can get it in a magazine cover, an oil painting like this one right here. You can do cartoon style. You can do all sorts of different outputs like that. And like they say, imagine selling these portraits for 30 bucks, 50 bucks, even 100 bucks over and over again on Etsy, Fiverr, your own website, and so on. So that's exactly what this business opportunity is. And I always like to start at the finish. It's 17 bucks. There's some upgrade offers. The link's in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a pretty good description there. There's a product box. You click that and you're at this page to grab it for 17 bucks. Or you scroll through, scroll down the blog post. They've got some information, the upgrade offers, and then the link at the bottom will take you to grab a copy of it. Let's take you inside this and show you a little bit more. There's the one. This really shows it, right? Let's come down a bit here. There. So you can see each one of these. Let me see. I just want to make sure that I'm showing you what. Yeah, that's what I want to show you. So look at this. The cat in the top becomes the cat with sunglasses and a, I don't know, it looks like an astronaut kind of suit. The dog over here becomes a dog kind of caricature portrait. The dog here becomes on a magazine cover. So you can see kind of like they take a deep fake and they can take a human body or face and put it into anything. In the same way, they can take the dog, the cat, the bird face and put it into different categories like this. It's an AI setup called AI Pet Portrait Studio, transforms the pet pictures into portraits of about 14 different types, 17 bucks. I'm gonna let you click the link in the video description and go check this out. Fresh out today, 17 bucks. If you're into this kind of thing, and it's the whole business plan, I'll just quickly mention, let's see if I can show it to you here. They talk about it there. Look at these as they scroll by. Very, very nice, very fun, very interesting. Laughing dog, that's funny. So here, upload the pet photo, pick your favorite style, watch the magic happen. Easy as that. And you're now going to be able, let's see, here we go. So here's what you're getting inside this $17 guide. Step-by-step system walks you through the whole thing. 14 professionally crafted portrait styles, oil painting, Pixar-style cartoon, fashion cover, vintage movie poster, watercolor. There's 14 different types. Ready-to-use AI prompt templates. You just copy, paste, and watch it happen. Example prompts and output previews, so you know what you're gonna put in and what's gonna happen, and then practical tips and shortcuts. And I think if we go down here, we're gonna have some bonuses. No, they're gonna have some other things there. I got to go to my one to get. I'll leave that up, and I'll just go to the thing that had the bonuses here. Okay, sorry, I skipped that. I'll let you find that there. The bonuses include a whole thing of doing the business plan of how to sell these things. And that's exactly what this is about. For 17 bucks, you're in business. So I'm going to cut it short. Click the link in the video description. Take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And you can grab a copy of AI Pet Portrait Studio for 17 bucks. Check it out.